I'm Tanishka with a new video. In this video I'm going to show you that how to make this pretty quilling art Rakhi, and this is the part 2 of Rakhi making video. Don't forget to watch the part 1. As I said before too, due to this pandemic time we should not go out and we can make our own Rakhis at home, as handmade things are the best. So let's launch into the video. So here we need thin strips, the quilling art strips. If you don't have, so use any paper that you have at home, any colored or white, as you can paint it afterwards. Now cut out the thin strips like this of equal breadth, and now wrap it around a cap of any bottle, and then stick it one by one by using the Fevicol or any other glue. Here is that circle, like this you want, of any color you can make, as I said before. If it's looking white or of different color at the corners, so paint it or using a sketch pen color it. Now for the side parts, take that quilling instrument and make small circles of different colors, 3 different colors like this. Like I have chose light blue, orange and blue, dark blue. Now take the glue and stick it in that ring alternatively. I mean orange, then any other color, then the other one, and repeat it. Now take any cardboard circle, add a paper, golden or of any color, and stick it and write Happy Rakhi Bro or any message you want. You can also write his name and add the glue neatly, and then stick the quilling art on the top. Now this Rakhi is ready, but if you want that it's more stylish and good for little brothers, so here is an idea too. But before I'm sticking the ribbon, measure it how long you want and stick it, and add a paper at the back to make it secure, and let it dry like this. So it's ready. Now the part that I was saying, so here are the glitters or small sparkly things, beads and all. So if you want, so you can add it inside. And now take a plastic sheet, cut out a circle of the size, and now stick it very nicely so that the inside glitters do not come out. Now stick the sheet like this and let it dry and smooth it out too. So yeah, your Rakhi is done. So I hope you like this video, and if you like, so don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching.